Hello everyone. Thanks for attending my presentation today. I will present the study that we did. The title is Optimizing Warehouse Order Picking, a comparative study of paper, handheld, and augmented reality methods. So the study actually compares the paper-based, handheld device, and augmented reality order picking methods based on efficiency, which is number of items picked, and then error rates, also based on some other subjective criteria such as situation awareness, NASA TLX, and technology acceptance. So in this study, we used a control experiment with 15 participants that showed AR picking was the most efficient with 79.4 items picked, followed by the paper-based and HHD with a significant difference with a p-value of 0.024. Despite the lower situation awareness, augmented reality proved to be the most efficient and least physically demanding method that was found in the experiment. And also from the NASA TLX value, it was found that augmented reality had the lowest cognitive strain. So as a background, I can say order picking is a very critical part of warehouse operations that is responsible for almost 55% of warehousing cost. However, so that's why it is very critical part of warehouse operation that actually impact productivity, accuracy, and worker workload. There are many different types of order picking methods being used in the experiment. And one is the traditional paper type picking. Another is currently they are mostly using handheld device, which can be the scanner or phone or other devices. And latest addition to this technology is augmented reality smart glasses that can also help order pickers performing their picking operation very efficiently. So the experiment was conducted in the engineering lab building where we set up a laboratory warehouse. This is the room where we set up the laboratory warehouse. And there were many different pick lists used. Those were created randomly. And to create the pick list, we used 19 different items. And there were 7 different aisles. We used 45 participants as in a between subject design where 15 participants were used for each picking type. Like for paper, we used 15 participants. For HHD, we used 15 participants. And for augmented reality headset, we used another 15 participants. And none of the participants did the other methods that they were assigned to. So the paper pick list that was used is shown in figure 2A, and 2B shows the paper HHD pick list. So the way the experiment was conducted is at first the participant came to the lab, they were given the consent form, they signed it, and at first a brief training was given that rested for 10 minutes, and then they did the actual order picking task for 10 minutes, and we counted how many items they were able to pick on that 10 minutes. So I already have mentioned about the measures that we collected, which is number of items picked, error made, and distance traveled. So in conclusion, we found that the most efficient and engaging method was the augmented reality, has best SART score, the best number of items picked, and least demanding in terms of workload, mental workload. So as a conclusion, you can say that this finding can help the industrial applicants and the researchers that augmented reality headset has really good potential in aiding the order picking task. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for listening.